73 2nd Avenue, Bassendean. Come with me, have a quick look at this, as Steve Lay said, absolute shocker. Let's have a quick look through inside. Hasn't been lived in for 9 years apparently. We currently have 2 bids on this property. It is being sold via open negotiation to go to sale on July 11th, Tuesday at 7 p.m. That date can be brought forward or extended, subject to circumstances. But we have 2 bids at the moment. Highest bid of $300,000. That's right, 300 at this point in time. Look at that, beautiful door work. Hey. Now, if this looks like a challenge you're up to, do give me a call. Mick Lay, 0422 740 544. That's Mick Lay, Lay 2 Real Estate. I think that's the original kitchen actually. What's for dinner? Anyway, look forward to seeing you. Do give me a call. Be quick.